So this windmill pumps water into the irrigation system here.
And this demonstrates how crop rotation works to keep the soil healthy.
From automated vertical farms to precision drones and smart irrigation, these innovations are key to feeding a growing planet sustainably.
Look at the absorption rate on this row. It's significantly lower than the others.
I see that. Let's check the irrigation emitters immediately.
Our comprehensive quality control plan ensures every component meet the highest standards, from initial inspection to final processing.
This smart agriculture system integrates climate control with automated irrigation. The sensors feed data.
Harnessing the power of AI, these autonomous systems are transforming agriculture, making farming more efficient and sustainable.
From vertical farms glowing under LED lights to AI-powered drones and robotic arms, we